Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about this platform name is Digen.ai. So you should use this platform for image generation or not, and what are the major problems. So in this video I'm going to tell you each and everything. Okay, so you can see this is a platform, and I have taken a free account on this platform. You can see I have created a free account. I have get like 300 credits, and when I create any videos from, you can like image to video, then it will take approx like 30, you can like credits for one task. Okay, so I have already provided a task. You can see over here the task is running from last, you can say 15 to 60 20 minutes, you can say, and image is not you can like generated right now, and it will taking lots of time. And I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing. Maybe like you can say this is due to, you can like, free account. Maybe when you purchase any, you can say like paid account, it will provide you fast results, but as my, you can say like, experience, it's not providing you can say like correct results, or you can say like the time frame. The time is very much, it is consuming lots of time, and I'm right now very frustrated. That's why I'm creating this video. And you can see over here this is not looking like a worthy, you can like, platform in the terms of free, you can like, plan. Okay, so you should not use this free plan, otherwise you are going to regret why you have purchased. And if you have taken any subscription on this plan, then you are going to definitely, you can like, regret, because maybe it will take lots of time. So in that case, what you will do, you have to be, you can like, use this product, or you have to use this platform if you want or not. Okay, so better thing you can do, if you really want to use this platform, you need to contact with the customer support team related to return and refund, and how you can get your money back if you're not satisfying after buying their subscription. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.